see them gaining confidence as this game moves forward as well.
In the meantime, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, their second drive of the game was their touchdown drive. Outside that, they haven't been able to do a lot. They've been able to have a couple of drives where they moved the chains a couple of times, but have never been able to put enough of the moving of the chains into a drive to even get a field goal attempt. It's just been that one time, Jeremy. So what's John Gruden got to know at halftime to be able to put together more ball movement in order to get down into at least field goal territory?
Well, I think right now you look at the Tampa Bay offense, and there just haven't been any explosive plays. I mean, they're 5 and 9 on third down. They've got a high completion percentage for Jeff Garcia, not a bad completion percentage, 11 for 20, but they're averaging 3.7 yards per reception. They're not averaging, they're only averaging 2.5 yards per carry. Right now, I think the offense is just a little bit.
One more.
I understand the game plan because you don't want Jeff Garcia taking 7-step drops, as we saw in the second quarter where Jeremy just got run over by Michael Strahan. They have to try to stay in the